Hello. About 6 weeks ago, I was standing right here making a 1-year update video on the greenhouse behind me. And basically, I just commented on how well it has held up. Everything still works, there's no leaks, there hasn't been any problems with any kind of weather issues. But then, 4 days ago, this happened. We've been living in this location for 25 years, and I could probably count on one hand the number of times I've seen it hail at all, but I have never seen it hail with that intensity. Early in the storm, when I believe it was at its strongest, some of those hailstones I think would easily measure over 1 inch in diameter. In fact, there were reports of people nearby measuring hailstones up to 2 inches in diameter. Let's take a closer look. So the first thing I noticed when I walked in afterwards was the debris on the floor. And then I looked up and saw this. So this is north. So this side of the greenhouse faces north. This is the south side of the greenhouse. Much less damage, still a little bit here, a little here. And you can see these water spots, and some of these spots like right here, that is where, you know, this polycarbonate is 2 layers. So the outside layer was broken, but the inside layer did not break. And so there's a lot of these little holes in the outside layer, and this is where water has gotten in those holes. One hole right there all the way through. But this over here, wow, this was surprising. So, how am I going to fix this? Well, I don't know yet. I haven't contacted the manufacturer to see if I can just get these replacement panels. I don't know if it could be that easy. Of course, since these are siliconed in, basically glued in place, getting them out would be a little bit of a chore. My wife even suggested just putting a solid roof on it, like a metal roof, and just not use it as a greenhouse anymore anyway. So I'm not sure what direction we're going to go with that, but there'll probably be another video in the future. Let's go outside and look. Okay, so here on the south side of the roof, and you can see here are these little holes that I was telling you about, where the outer layer of the polycarbonate was broken away, but it didn't punch all the way through. It did a couple places there, and there. Let's walk around to the north side. Okay, just for scale, there's my hand, and look at the size of these holes. So if this was like one stone that punched this hole, and this hole, and this hole, they're easily 1 inch or more in diameter. Here, here. Wow, look at those holes there in that window panel. Okay. So if you want to see all the other videos related to this greenhouse, its assembly and 1-year update, and even how I built the deck, those are all linked in the description, as well as some of them will be at the end of this video. And as always, if you've enjoyed this or learned anything or found it informative, please hit the like button. And if this is the kind of content you enjoy, you might consider subscribing to my channel. But in any case, I hope you'll be back in the future for another video.